Right, your Rise Daily Journal. Great piece of equipment for you to have in your arsenal, and I'm here to tell you how to use it, how to make the most of it. First of all, this journal is going to be the #1 accountability partner for you. What I mean by that is this is going to be your #1 accountability tool. Do you know that journaling is proven to improve your chances of achieving success? And we're here because we want to succeed. We're here because we want to achieve success. And we're going to use every single tool at our disposal for that. So that's why we're going to be journaling. And the fact that you're writing down, you're journaling, triggers something in your mind. It's just moving all those things you're writing down to the important folder in your head. And that's extremely important, okay? Now, how to use this journal? First of all, as I said in the first page, this is not an agenda, this is not a day planner, this is a journal, okay? So we've got to write very specific things in there. First thing, I want you to write your goals in the morning, in the evening, okay? I want you to write down your life goals. What are those crazy goals you want to achieve? Those things you're thinking of and you're like, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I want you to write down those goals. Those goals, you probably had them like for a long time, but you just buried them. I want you to start writing down those goals, okay? One of my life goals is to speak in front of 10,000 people, a live audience of 10,000 people. That's how crazy this is. Another one of those goals is to fly, to travel to 5 continents within 2 weeks. So that's the kind of crazy goals. I want you to have those crazy ideas. Whatever it is, a couple of years ago, one of my goals was, obviously to step on a stage and then compete in bodybuilding. This has been done since then, okay? So write down those goals. The second part in your journal is also a workout log. So you will see that there is a space for you to log your workouts. Now, you've already got the workout sheet as part of the program. So the workout sheet telling you what to do, how to do it, the percentage, the rest and everything. What I want you to do with the log is, first of all, write the name of the exercise you're performing. It says the exercise 1, write the name of the exercise. Then you have some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers refers to the set. So 1 will be set 1, 2 will be set 2, 3 will be set 3, okay? So I want you to write like the name of the exercise. Deadlift 1, let's say that the weight you moved for that purpose was 60 kilos, you're going to be put 60 kilos and the number of reps, okay? Use your imagination. I don't want to constrain you to any way of doing it. Just use that part of the journal to keep a log of your workouts. Extremely important. One thing I need to mention as well, top right of the page, you have the date. Put the date down. Very important. You want to know that 3 months from now, you want to know that, okay, you know what? On this date, these were my goal. This is what I've done in terms of workout. Third part is your success, okay? So I want you to write down your success. Like every day, I want you to write down your success. And genuinely, every day we do something successful. We do something which is great. And quite often we kind of like overlook it. We forget about it. We don't actually bring it back. So I want you to get into the habit of writing down your success. So it could be, for example, that one of the things you're struggling with is spending quality time with your family. And today you managed to spend 2 hours with your family. That's a big success. So write it down. Write down every single success. Personal life, business life, whatever it is. Put the success down every single day. The last part, of course, is your goals. And I want you to write your goals again in the evening. The reason for this is pretty simple. You see, the vast majority of people are writing down their goals if they actually write them down. They have goals only when it's January 1st. At the beginning of the year, everybody is excited. This year is my year. And I'm going to write down some goals and then try to change things. It's called a resolution. Well, guess what? The vast majority of people never achieve those goals because they write them down only once. You, my friends, are writing down your goals twice a day. That's over 700 times per year. Who's got a better chance of winning?